Juan.
I like your hat.
Juan, we got a problem.
What's the problem? I got a problem too.
We got extra wire. Keep it better.
If I help you solve your problem, will you help me solve my problem?
I'll always fix your problem.
All right, we got some work to do. I finally got the updated stator that we need in order to get the converter just right. The transmission is actually being repaired as we speak. I'll put at the end of this video the clips from Josh said it is on the damage to that. But for now, we're gonna take this converter apart. I've got a rebuild kit this time because it definitely needs it. And we'll swap out the stator and see everything that's inside. I don't know if you ever guys seen inside a torque converter, but this thing is amazing inside. Let's take a look. Have you ever done a converter? Really?
Many times.
Many times? Where? With me? I've only taken the converter apart like 1-2 times. You know what you're doing?
You say it's bolt?
Yeah, it's just the bolts. Luckily I got this bolt together converter. It keeps me from I found it already. It's right here. It's right here. The great thing about a bolt together is that I don't have to send the converter out to have it cut apart, because that's how they do it when they have to change something. You send it out, they cut it down, and they change everything, and then they re-weld a new piece on. I don't have to do that because mine's bolt together. Yeah. Take that off right there. Let's open up the new box first to see all the stuff we got inside. All right, so we should have there's the stator. That's the new stator right there, Mike. We're gonna need snap rings probably. New stator. We're probably gonna need some snap rings, snap ring pliers, and the rebuild kit. Tons of washers, new bolts, O-ring, which I desperately needed. Everything. Luckily, Mike has a super nice snap-on driver. Go ahead, Mike. I'll let you do it. Yeah, some of them have been stripped from taking it off and on, but they gave me new bolts, so it should be okay. Just make sure you're in there good when you take it off. Stripped one. Yeah. One right here. I have to figure out how to get it off. Luckily I got new bolts, so.
Ponlo bien, Juanito, por eso te engañan.
Oh shit.
Otra again.
Oh man. What is that?
Lo bueno que eso lo puedes borrar.
Is that funny to you? Talk English so people know what you're saying.
Ok, aquí tenemos a Juan quitando unos tornillos y siempre los barre. Juan, John is stripping the bolts. Ah, no, es Juan, ¿ah?
English.
Messed up my tools. Yeah, nice hammer.
Just one mic.
Tómalo bien, güey.
Mike the mechanic always has a solution. That 12 looks like it might fit, right?
Yeah.
But if you fuck that one up, that's it. We're gonna have to weld something on it to get it out. Maybe do it by hand instead of using that thing. Oh, jeez.
Ok, ya. Ahí va a salir.
With what the? Oh God, I don't think it's coming out. How much are we gonna bet? What are we gonna bet? Gonna bet
No, nada, nada.
lunch, Chinese buffet.
Chinese buffet. Ay, papá.
In English.
Who's your daddy?
See all the way the converter works. The only difference between this one right here, and this one is the angle of the fin. It pushes fluid different. That's the only difference. This is the stator. This is what we're replacing. Then you've got this hub here. I don't know what you call it. Hub. Look at all that dirty fluid.
Todo el metal.
Yeah. There's a shim on the bottom of it, Mike. See the shim? See the shim? Yeah. And so that goes there. And that part. That's a bearing. And then another shim underneath that bearing. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Don't make sure because it goes up like this. And make sure you know which way. Make sure you know that this is up. Okay? No, it doesn't. Maybe but you need that whole piece. You don't need just that piece. You see it move in?
Yeah.
There's probably a tool for this. Probably a tool for this. Yeah, I think we're gonna need to push it in on all four corners, Mike.
Dijo la vieja, méteme solo la puntita. Ahí. Ay, papá, soy tu hijo.
Okay, that popped this off. I told you it was just sitting in there. Okay, now I don't know how we're gonna put this ring back in. The ring just sits in there. And this should come out. Right? No? Notice how it is. Let's pay attention to how it is. Top. It's got little things.
Cabeza y man, güey.
So this, this is a bearing in its own. Looks try to go like this or like this? They're like C, right?
Yeah.
Little washer, bearing, washer bearing, then the big washer, and this goes on top. So I am going to call Pro Torque just to make sure, but I wanted to check the diagram because I got this extra an extra small washer in the kit. My converter didn't come with that extra small washer. It was the small one on the bottom, then the actual bearing, and then a thicker cap on top. So it was literally like this one, and then the bottom one. So I just want to make sure with Pro Torque that I'm not missing anything here, but I'm pretty sure this may be in case you had an extra one, but I don't. Mine, like I said, I don't think had it, but it wasn't that bad. You can do it at home. Anybody can do it. So I encourage you, if you do things on your own, give this a try. Give the bolt together stuff a try. It saved me a hassle of having to ship something out, wait a bunch of weeks, get it back, only to try again. Especially since if you make a lot of changes, this is gonna help out for sure. Like I said, we changed the stator. I showed Pro Torque the data. They agreed that they think that we need a tighter stator. So we got a tighter stator in here. We're gonna try that out and see what that nets us. But that's it. We got this thing done, and time to put it back in the car.
So here we are tearing Juan's transmission apart. It's been about a year's worth of abuse, but a lot of passes with a shifter that wasn't shifting correctly. So I went ahead and I pulled the valve body, or not the valve body, the bell housing off and the pan off, and you can see there's a good amount of mud in here. So I'm going to continue on and show you guys what I find next. Those are third gears. Those are fried big time. These are fried too, big time. That's why we had no forward gears whatsoever. Fried.